Hi, welcome to my kitchen. Today we're going to be making shrimp and grits. Yay! Grits! First we're taking the shrimp and we're going to give them, these are pre-cooked. Put a little bit of coconut oil in here. And we're just going to give them a half a teaspoon of curry. A little bit of cayenne pepper just because I like things up a notch, kicked up a notch. Bam! This is optional, totally. And we're going to get them so that they have a little bit of color to them, and then take them out and then make our grits. Alright guys, just get a little bit of glaze to you. Oh, it smells great already. I love shrimp. Oh, you know what I forgot is some garlic. You use fresh garlic, or like I have, just a little bit of powdered garlic. Just gonna get the shrimp going, because I'm also going to put these shrimp, even though they're cooked. The big thing is not to overcook them because they're already cooked. If these were frozen uncooked shrimp, it'd be a different story. Just enough to get the flavor of the curry on the outside. I could be precise about it. Maybe we'll give it 2 minutes cooking time. Oops. The wrong way. Oh, is this broken? Oh no, my thing broke. How'd that happen? Well, good thing we have another one. I paid a whole $1 for that too. I guess that's why they put them in the plastic. They know they break. Alright, these guys are done, ready. They'll go back in on top of the grits at the end. Put the water in. Quarter cup of grits. Seeing as this is dinner grits, I want them a little bit drier, so I'll put a little bit more grits in there. Let's get these guys stirred. Bring it up to a boil, and then we put it down on a low simmer for 20 minutes. Seeing as this is curried grits, we also add one more half, well, there's a half teaspoon, well, almost a full teaspoon. You can judge your teaspoons. I love curry. I over curry just about everything because there's no such thing in my vocabulary as too much curry. Now it's boiling. We bring it down and we come back in 20 minutes. When we turn it down low, we also put a cover on it. We're at 15 minutes. Let's give it a stir. And we'll go for another 5. Add our shrimp in there. One, 2, 3. And let it finish cooking. Yum! Smells great. 5 minutes are up. Turn her off. Let's dish her up and try it out. Look at that. Doesn't that look delicious? Now, how can we do this? Move over to here and we pull these guys out. Let's put them. We want it to look pretty, don't we? We'll pull the shrimps out. Put them in my measuring cup. Whoops. Making a mess. And we'll empty this bowl out into here. Let's go like that. Come around, grits. Oh, those grits look delicious. Perfectly cooked. Yum. I gotta get a new pan. I totally charcoaled my grits with a senior moment a couple of days ago and ruined this pan. This pan needs to be replaced. Go for presentation here. Do the best we can with a spoon. There's one shrimp. Two shrimps. Tell I haven't done shrimps for a long time. Get in there. And 3 shrimps. Hidden shrimps. We don't go for pretty, we go for yummy. Let's see how it tastes. I already licked the spoon, it tastes delicious. Try the grits. Bon appetit. Very delicious. Maybe a little bit of salt would have helped this a little bit more. I always like to wait until after done cooking to add salt, if I'm going to add any. See how the shrimps taste. I almost dumped my whole thing of grits there. Yum. Shrimp and grits. Easy to make. I like things easy. Yum. See it? Ooh. Yum. Alright, one more bite. And I'm turning you off, and I'm going to finish the rest of my grits. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments below. Check out all my other videos. Love you all.